I have started recording. Let's go with first simple questions. So you should not be nervous. What is class and object in a Java?
So object is a real life entity where class is a is a collection of objects, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, like a real life example. Suppose we like giraffe and all are real life entity, and animal is a class which has like giraffe inherit all the properties of animal kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
You
not
mean to
Polish.
say animal is like a blueprint, right?
A blueprint, yeah, blueprint of
Mm,
yeah, the class.
blueprint for objects, like what objects can have and those things. Huh? Okay.
Like
So what is constructor?
so constructor is a way of initializing the an object, uh, initializing some properties variables before creating an object. So that constructor, there is different type of constructor, uh, like uh, like like default constructor, which is not default available in a class, we don't have to implement it. And there is a say copy
Pa-
constructor,
parameterized constructor. Okay.
parameterized constructor, and yeah, parameterized
Yeah.
construction where you put parameters.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Great. So have you read about exception handling?
Yeah, I have read about exception handling.
Okay. Can we have try block without catch?
Try block without catch.
Yeah.
We can have, I think, it will not catch an error, but we can, I think we can have a try block.
We can have only try block.
Yeah, like if we are trying something, then the JVM will handle it because we are throwing it to swipe.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like, am I
So
correct? Means,
I'll tell you at the end.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's go like proper 30 minutes interview. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say what is overloading and overriding?
So in overloading, it is happened within the class. It is a
Mm-hmm.
compile time polymorphism.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose we have a method, and we want to create another method with the same, like, different parameters. So that will be the method overloading, and it will
Mm-hmm.
be done at the compile time only. And the method overriding is it is a property of inheritance. So when a child class overload, oh sorry, override the method of a parent class, meaning the overwriting something, then with the same method signature. That is the method overwriting. It is a runtime polymorphism because it is done at the runtime.
Okay. 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 So I am just providing some code snippet. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see the chart and tell me which. So it is like method overloading. Okay. Question on method overloading. You can see the chart.
Yeah. Method
So here there are two methods, overloaded methods. First parameter is int a long b and second is long a int b, right? And if I call add 10 comma 10, which method will be called? First one or second one?
will be divide. So as both are integer, long also, like, it's a uh, mm,
Confusion?
I don't know it, like,
Okay.
both, like, the first one, I think.
No, so you are getting confused, right? So you want
I'm
compile
getting
compile.
confused. Like, both are like int long. It can be like.
So if you are getting confused, then compiler will also get confused. So if I pass 10L, right? Long value L we pass, right?
Then second one.
10L. Exactly. So first one will give you ambiguity error, yeah? Compilation issue.
It will give an.
Okay, okay. This is one sample. Okay. And on exception side, and if I have try block, okay, and I am just catching file not found exception. Okay.
So yeah, we are
Not
trying and
found.
catching it.
So this code you can see in chat. So in try block there is nothing. I am
Okay.
not throwing. There is no statement, but still I am trying to catch file not found exception. Will this code compile?
It will, because we are not throwing any error, so it will run like it will not handle anything.
So actually, what happens when you are trying to catch checked exception, you should throw that exception inside try. If you are not throwing it, you should
Okay,
not
okay.
catch.
It
There
will
is a
check in the
condition.
compile time only. Like
Exactly. So it will say, compiler will say that if you are not throwing any checked exception, why are you catching it? Okay.
so it
keep
will
it in
give
mind.
one at the time of compile only. Like you are not.
Yeah, yeah. It will show compilation issue. Okay.
Okay, okay.
That is good. Do you know memory model of JVM?
Like I have read, I like forgot. I like memory modding, like how the all the like Java compiles and that.
Right. How class loads, where object stores.
Like in a program, like
There is a
okay,
heap area, memory model, stack. Those things are right.
like there is a like CPU first divide the different program, like one Java file will be in a one program, and the CPU will allocate some memory to that one program,
Mm-hmm.
and in one program there is only there is a one stack,
Mm-hmm.
and so every thread will use that one stack only,
Mm-hmm.
and it will share one stack, and there was one more memory, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. When you create any object of a class, where that object store?
like where that object stored,
Where that object store in a memory?
in a memory, like
Like,
when
okay,
we
no
create
problem.
an
Okay.
again in a heap memory, so in a heap,
Right. Heap memory. Have you heard about string constant pool?
yeah, is a string constant pool. It is in heap memory only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Okay.
when we create a string, like control string, so due to security reason, it is immutable. So whenever we
Mm-hmm.
change or like editable some string, it will create a
Mm.
new string.
Okay. Do you know why string is immutable?
Like I read, like for some security reason, like so uh, there can be a chance, like if it is we are changing the same string, then for anyone like can change that string, like in security, like I don't like call the main reason, but it was something like that.
Okay, okay, you can check that. Okay, so one more code snippet I gave you. String s1 equal to Kanand, I give some literal, and second is which is creating string with new keyword. Now if I compare s1 equal to s2, will this be true or false?
False, because they are different object, like they will be in different memories, or
Okay,
like
now
both are
if
pointing
I
to different objects, so
okay,
they will return false.
now if I do something like this,
Okay. Intern, I don't know like what is the intern method.
okay, which keeps object from heap memory to string constant pool. Okay, no problem. Do you know the difference between string buffer, and string builder, and when to use it?
Yeah, like string builder and buffer are the like string builder is string buffer, sorry, is for multi-threading. It is a synchronized string, so it is safe for multi-threading. And string builder is not a multi-thread safe. So when we need a fast process, we can use string builder. And
Okay.
both make the string immutable, so they are used for string mutability.
String is immutable,
A
and
string
string
is
builder buffer are
immutable. Yeah,
mutable.
they both are
Hmm.
mutable.
Okay. What do you mean by immutable? What is
Immutable.
meaning of immutability? Huh? Yeah.
Immutability here. So when we are changing something, some object, then it will create a copy of new object. Like it will create a new object instead of like editing that pre object. It will create a new object every time we do operation on.
Okay. Okay. Have you heard about singleton design pattern?
Yeah, I have heard about singleton.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, so singleton design method pattern is our purpose of making only one object of a class, only
Mm-hmm.
single object. So we can like there are different methods like to i- to achieve that singleton pattern.
Okay. Do you know how to break design singleton design pattern?
How to
Break it.
break it? Okay,
Yeah.
break it like I don't understand this question. Like break it meaning
Okay.
like
Okay. So meaning, see, just to make singleton design pattern, what you will do, you will have some private constructor, right?
yeah,
Because you should not create object
yeah,
of that.
object.
So you are thinking it is safe, but even you have private constructor with reflection, we can break it. By using reflection, we can create object of that class.
Okay.
So here we are breaking that singleton design pattern with reflection.
Okay, with the reflection. Actually, I am
We
not
can.
like very aware of the reflection topic.
Uh, uh, okay, okay. So you can read about that also.
Yeah.
That is very important. Okay,
Okay.
okay, good. Coming to collections. Do you know internal working of hash set?
Hash set.
Yeah.
Yeah, like hash set. It is implementing hash map only. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
like internal working of hash map only. But the thing,
Mm-hmm.
but here is the word. We store the unique keys, like not copy, and
Mm-hmm.
it will the values will be null for it because the keys only of
Values will be null.
the keys value, like in hash map there is key and value, right? So
Right.
in hash set we only have keys, no, and the values will be null. Like when we create a uh, hashing of a key, then it will be stored in like a linked list.
Mm-hmm.
So the values, there will be key and value, so then the values will be null in this case in hash set,
Mm. That won't be null. There will be some
like
dummy value
subdummy.
present dummy. Okay. 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 Great. Do you know the difference between hash table and concurrent hash map?
Yeah, concurrent hash map uh, is used for multi-threading,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, it follows like before Java 8, concurrent hash map uses a segment-based like locking. So there
Mm-hmm.
the tree was divided into 16 16 default like segments, and if we have to do each segment will have like some table, hash table in it, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if we do some operation, if we do some operation on the same segment, like the segment will be locked. And after Java 8,
Mm-hmm.
it uses a cache compare and swap algo
Mm-hmm.
for the multi-threading purpose. So no more locking required, right? Like the
Okay.
cache, algo is followed in synchronized, so it's
Okay.
thread safe. We don't have to synchronize the full hash table.
Okay. 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 So, do you have IntelliJ or Eclipse in your machine?
Yeah, I have.
So, I give you one program here. There is a array. Okay.
Okay.
Inside this array, there are values. So, what you need to do? You need to shift all the zeros to right side of the array.
Okay.
Share your screen and let me know.
Share my screen. Right. How do I share? Okay.
There's an option.
Yeah, open system.
Share option
Right.
is there. Yeah.
Wait, it block. Window, right? Entire screen. Okay, it asking me to open. Okay, I have to give the access. Actually, I got the new laptop, so
Okay. Okay. Permission issues.
yeah, it's. It's doing this. I have given the permission, but
Okay. Okay, no problem. You can write. You can write. You can code and you can share me in the chat. That is also fine. Or we can cover some more questions, like if that issue is there, right? Because it will be more waste of time. Some more. Can we cover some more questions? Hello, Anurag. Hello. So you joined 2 times.
I don't know, like, what is happening. Like,
Okay.
share.
You dropped right before.
Yeah. Now it's
Okay, no problem. No, try. Okay.
okay.
You are able
It's
to share
visible,
now.
right?
Yeah, it's coming up.
So can I use the
Yeah.
ID only or intelligent ID?
Use ID. It's better for you, right? Some methods. If it is open, that is fine. Or else you can write it in Notepad also. Main logic is important.
Then I'm doing in this.
You can write. Yeah, this is also fine.
So I have been given an array. Where is the
No, this is fine. You can do. No problem.
no the question? Where is the chat screen?
Chat.
Okay.
Okay. It's gone. Okay.
Yeah, I joined
have
again.
to. Okay, let me check if it is there or it's gone. In chat it is there. I'll give you again. Yeah. Check chat.
So I have been given an array and I have to shift zeros.
Shift zeros to right side of the array.
So the first thing would be I can short this array.
Okay.
That will.
But there is value -1 also, right?
Oh, okay.
Anyway, that is fine. No. But after sorting also you will have -1 first. After that
Yeah.
the zeros will
Like
be there.
if it will be positive, then it would have helped.
Any other value? Any other thought?
No, I can take a pointer to the first, like I can like so I can
You can try something like this, right? Whenever zeros are there, skip it. Then have this array with limited number, and you have the count how many zeros were there. That many zeros you can add it later. Got my point?
okay, I counting zeros and
Count the zeros. Whenever zeros comes, add no remove no skip those elements and add non-zero elements to a new array. Let's say there are 10 elements in array now.
okay.
While iterating, whenever you find zero, skip it. So you will have around 5 values.
And
Now zeros are 5. Zeros are 5. Then we can append
like
those
you
5
are telling
zeros.
me to like count the zero, like create another array of that same size and like
Mm-hmm.
make a counter along with
Mm.
like iterate over the
Whenever
iterate. If is
yeah,
not equal to zero, then I will use.
increase the count. You have number how many zeros are there, and then you can append those at the end of the array.
Yeah,
Simple, right?
yeah, that will take a space of O(n) and the time complexity will be O of n only.
Hmm. You can try writing. Let's see.
Like I have to write everything like scan I see.
No, don't write. Why scanner? You have already array, right?
Yeah, right.
You can use array.
Mm.
Use same array, copy paste, and create new array like whatever logic you want.
Answer. So we will have a count uh, pointer that will count all the zeros,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will have a one pointer that will you know that will point to the answer array. So for int I will now iterate the array I plus if the array I is not equals to 0, then uh, I will give to this answer. I will put that value in the answer.
Right. From where this j comes?
This,
Okay, there. Okay.
and I will increase that pointer. And along with I will
Mm-hmm.
if my array I equals to 0, else I can put else
No, you should skip.
count plus.
Okay. Hmm.
Now I can start from the pointer that if finished, or I can like use while count.
No, that is. Yeah. While you can use while.
J less than n.
Hmm. Right.
I don't require count now.
No. How many zeros are there? That many you should append, right?
Like no, but it will like eventually count all my j, like wherever my j finish, other all like after that I have to put all the count only 0 only.
Right.
So I don't require count
Hmm.
it.
Hmm. This then array, add those, add zeros.
Yeah. Then I will return this.
Print. You will be able to run it, right?
Yeah, like yeah, I will like I have to print also like.
You have to print, right? So whether it's shifted or not, how we'll understand? You need to print the array. That's it.
Okay.
You have answer, right? You can print that array. It's answer array. Instead of k. Yeah. Just run this and let's see.
I have to put some package also.
So here nothing is there.
No,
Okay.
I think simple Java. Okay.
Remove import and try. No, remove that Java item. When it says, then you can add it.
-1 4.
Yeah, your zeros are shifted, right? But check the length if it is same.
No. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
Yeah, it's matching it. This is perfect, right?
Yeah.
So you can optimize this and you can check like in any other way you can optimize, right?
Without
This is one of the way.
using,
This is simpler one. Yeah.
without using memory, like extra memory.
Right. So so these are the sample questions. I hope it helped you.
How I
At
perform.
least some confidence you
Yeah,
got
I
it.
got how I perform.
So yeah, you're better for your experience. Okay. So for the first question which you missed, right? Try you can use. So it's a combination like try and catch you can use, or try with final you can
Okay,
use.
fine.
You cannot use try alone.
Like
Okay.
I only like read yesterday that like final can be used only if try, like if try is there, then we can use final. So I thought like try we can use without catch.
Yeah, the try with happen with catch or it's finally it alone it won't exist alone. Okay. Other than that, you answered most of the questions, right? What you else missed for string? Anyhow, you answered. And by Java memory model, you can see about heap memory, stack, how garbage collection happens,
Okay.
and how class loaders. There are class loaders, right? You can read about class loaders,
Fast loaders.
and this will be pretty enough for your experience. Okay, for 2 year you can consider 2 year experience, and you can read about these things and read about exception handling while overriding the methods. There also it matters,
Like
right? So you can
that compile methods and
right compilation methods like if you are overriding a exception, right?
yeah,
You cannot you cannot throw a exception
like different
which is
exception I
more
can define.
broader than that or narrower than that. Those combinations are there. You can roam around this overloading, overriding, exception handling, collections, memory model, garbage collections, and 1 2 coding questions. Yeah, this will be helpful for you.
I think my answer was not polished.
You are answering, but
Not polished.
you are not finishing it properly.
Interview based answers.
uh,
Right.
So it will give you bit more confidence and try to read more. I think you are not prepared much, right? So, but still you are. It feels like you are working.
Okay.
It's not like you are just graduated, right? There is a difference.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So prepare more,
Okay.
speak with more confidence.
Okay.
Okay. And try to explain more, like whatever you know, right?
Yeah.
Don't go with only one liners.
Yeah, that's like I think I got from
So
my
if you read more, you will
interview
understand
today.
more.
Today interviews.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All the very best.
Thank you.
I'll share this video to with you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And thanks for your initiative.